Shooting your first wedding. From Susan Taylor Photography. Video 13. Capturing the day. Photographing the bride and groom. You can be incredibly lucky when you are working and have the chance to work with a bride and groom who are at ease in front of a camera and who are happy to try all sorts of fun ideas, even in the middle of a busy town. They are the exception. Most couples aren't confident in front of a camera. Use your judgment to appreciate what they will feel comfortable with. They aren't professional models. They are going to need guidance to get the best possible results. For excellent posing tips for couples, try a YouTube search for Jerry Gionis, a renowned wedding photographer. His free training videos will help you. When it's time to work with the bride and groom, take them away from everyone to avoid interruptions. Make sure that you have a suitable backdrop. Be sensitive to their physical comfort. A bride in a sleeveless dress on a cold day will find it hard to smile. They are not professional models, so they will need direction. Be positive. Posing may not be easy for the couple. Let the setting help you. If there are height differences, make good use of stairs or seats. Remember what was discussed in video 2 and check that you are not overrunning the time the couple agreed to spend with you when you planned their photography. What are the essential bride and groom images at the wedding reception? Cutting the wedding cake. The first dance. It's a long and exhausting day for the couple, but you may be able to fit in a last evening shot. Next. Capturing the day, wedding cars. Don't forget to subscribe, to like, and to ring the bell for notifications. Or if you find the video helpful, you could even buy me a coffee. Just use the links below.